Hi everyone, we are back with another video of ICSE 2025 specimen paper. In the last video we have discussed about grammar section. Today we are going to discuss the question on notice. So question on notice appear as question number 3 in the paper. So let us quickly scroll down and let us come to this question number 3. Now question number 3, when I read out to you, I'll enlarge this little bit and read out to you. Your school is hosting an art and craft exhibition. Write a notice informing the pupil at your school about the event. So event is art and craft exhibition, that you have to think catchy title on, and then it is exhibition and all the details that we have to put. So subsequently now you will see how we have done the notice. So here is the answer of question 3a, that is the notice. As we have seen, it's a notice on art and craft exhibition. Okay, so here look at the catchy title, and remember the notice that I'm writing on 20th of May. So of 20th of May is the date of writing the notice. Keep this in mind. You don't have to write this in the exam, just the date of writing the exam, you have to keep that in mind. So first will come the catchy title. You can write mix and mold, art and craft, so molding is there, or you can write color. Okay, color palette you can use, or you can use, there are ample of possibilities you can write for art and craft competition exhibition. So as per the notice, if you see there, nowhere it is written inter school, but when you see the marking scheme, there you get to see inter school they have written. So we can expect that even if it is not mentioned in the question, we can write inter school. Art and craft, that is already given. Now here in the answer key they have written competition, inter school art and craft competition, although in the question it is written exhibition. So I assume that even exhibition will also be acceptable as per the question. So catchy title done, name of the event done. Third component is date. Now date, this is something we need to calculate. As we have seen, the date of writing the exam is 20th May. So from there you have to calculate fortnight, that is 14 days. Okay, 14 days in future. So from 20th May calculate that it is 14 days. Either you can take 7 days as per given in the marking scheme, or fortnight from the date of writing the exam. So when we calculate 14 days from there, it comes 3rd June 2024. Next component is time. Now time 10 o'clock, this is what exactly given in the marking scheme, that's what I've written, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. but you can also write 10 a.m. to 11 or 12 p.m. or 1 p.m. will also be fine, but note the punctuation mark. Next we have venue. Venue very clearly mentioned the marking scheme, the small place then the larger place. So Carnation Hall, you can also write auditorium, you can also write any, if you have art room in the school you can write there. Okay, exam hall you can write. Okay, and name of the school should come. Then you leave a line. Okay, and we come to the next part. Now all pupils, no grade is mentioned in the question, but you can mention, not a problem. All people who wish to register should give, this is exactly given in the marking scheme, but you can make little changes here. I'll first read out what it's given in the marking scheme. All pupils who wish to register should give their names to the event coordinator on or before. Now this date is also important. All people who are interested to participate can register their name, okay, with the event coordinator. They have written vice principal, you can write other designation also. They have written event coordinator, but I would suggest also provide the name and surname, that would be great. Event coordinator on or before this date. Now this is the event date, so this calculate 1 week, okay, ahead, backward. So 3rd June, so backward you have to go 1 week, that would be your 27th. So here few things, here grade you can add, and here name of the person you can add. These two things you can add, otherwise your everything is okay as per given in the marking scheme. So this is the answer key which has been shared by the question paper as well, in the ICSE specimen paper. And you can see they have given the basic the criteria which is required. Creative title, I have written mix and mold because craft is there involved. You can write color palette, think on different types of creative title based on the topic given, and don't forget to comment. So if your title is okay, definitely I'm going to write over there, right, and if it needs change, I'm going to comment there as well, so you can check whether if you are thinking in a right track or not. Next is the event. Now for the event, as we have seen, inter-school, although it is not mentioned, but here they have given, so we can assume that we can write inter-school. Art and craft competition, but you can write exhibition. And next, date, except single date, for example 10 days or fortnight. So either 10 days or fortnight, 14 days or 10 days. So the date of writing exam, when you're writing the notice, from that date 10 days ahead or 14 days ahead from the date of writing. Time, it's 10 a.m. and 3 p.m. So, and when you look at smaller place then larger place, and then we have seen everything what is given, I have written. Now two things I have asked you to see, that if it's event coordinator, add the name, no harm in that. Okay, that one thing. Okay, so I hope you like this, and don't forget to write the possible catchy title that you think you can write in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.